Yo boys, we got a quick unboxing video for you. Got the Hati-S Wireless edition. I have a review up on this probably in a week or two after I've tested it out. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video and I guess a first impressions, because I've never had a G-Wills product before, and yeah, I've heard the unboxing experience is quite unique, quite the spectacle. So let's have a look. This is the Hati-S Wireless from G-Wills. Let's go then. So like I said, never had a G-Wills product before, but excited. Heard some good and some bad things about their products, like their quality control. But let's see if I'm lucky enough to get a good copy. Move this all to the side. Alright, let's get the box. G-Wills logos. A pretty nice box. Let's open it up, see what's inside. Got the grip tape. Got an envelope. Let's see what's in here. Got some extra mouse feet. Let's see what else we got in here. Not sure what that is. And one more. I think this is the smelling packet. Yeah, this is the lemon scented packet. Alright, we've got the cable. Actually doesn't feel too bad. I'll have a full review on this after I've got to test it. For now, I just want to do a quick first impressions, quick unboxing. We have the mouse itself. I'm gonna save that for later actually, because I think we've got, yes, I'll just move the mouse to the side for now. We've got the cleaning brush. Take that out. Cool. And then here we have the adapter and the famous antenna that comes with it. Put it to the side, you got your antenna, you got your dongle. So now let's get to the actual mouse itself. Take that out. Here it is. Looks really nice. Got batch, I don't know if you can see. I got batch 2101. Yeah, hopefully my copy doesn't have any QC issues, and yeah, we'll see. I guess we'll test that in the next part of this video. Alright, so for this part, this is just like I said, of first impressions, and I'll get into more of a review when I've actually tested out the mouse, probably about in a week or two. I've got other mouse that I want to review, but yeah, I don't know. My copy, as you can see, on the side, no creaking on the side, no real creaking on top either. On the bottom, it's me clicking on the mouse. Yeah, I don't know. My copy seems pretty sturdy. Some clicks. Yeah, so you get the mouse, just to recap everything. The mouse, get the grips, get your antenna with the dongle, get a cleaning brush, and the charging cable. Like I said, full review coming in about a week. Thanks for watching. Peace, boys.